Hi, a lot of people know SolidWorks for its very powerful 3D CAD modeling software. However, very few people know that SolidWorks has another software which is called SolidWorks Electrical, and that can be used to create a 3D design of your electrical system or a 2D schematic. Let's take a look at it. So SolidWorks Electrical can be used to create a single line diagram, or you can create a full multi-wire schematics, or even a control diagram with PLC design, or a complete 2D cabinet layout with actual physical size components fitting into electrical cabinet. And then it goes one step further and combines the actual 3D CAD modeling with electrical, which allows you to design a complete electrical cabinet, including the wiring and the cabling, in the 3D environment. The most powerful feature of SolidWorks Electrical, which clearly distinguishes it from other softwares in its class, is the high degree of automation which is built into this software. For example, we can create any number of wires and number them automatically. It has a complete engine to keep process of all the cables being used. Every single symbol which is placed on the software is automatically numbered, and you can have this complete list of components ready at your disposal anytime you want. For example, in this list of components, I can go to one particular component and it tells me on which documents it is available. And I can just one click and go to that complete symbol and see where it has been placed. And what it allows me to do is that, for example, in this project, I just created the line, power, and control diagram. But then the software allowed me to automatically generate these 3 terminal strip drawings, a bill of materials, list of wires by lines, and various other reports which are available in the software. So all of these reports are actually very easily configurable, and you can change them exactly according to your needs. You can go into any of these reports and change its properties, starting from the general style, the look, the columns, what information is contained, and how it is presented. But what I like the most about this software is its ability to stop me from making mistakes. For example, this is a 3-phase motor symbol, and an actual manufacturer part from Leroy Summer has been assigned to it, which is a 4 kilowatt motor. Now, notice that this symbol has only 4 connection points. It will not allow me to, even by mistake, connect a 5th wire to it. And if I go into the symbol properties, it lets me see the manufacturer part and the available circuits in that 3-phase motor system. And if those circuits do not match with my symbol, I will get a red indication in here. So I cannot assign a wrong manufacturer part to a symbol without giving a warning. And that is a very powerful thing to have. If you're interested in the capabilities of this software, you have a great opportunity. CAD Microsystem is holding a hands-on test drive event, and you can come and take a look at this software and test it yourself. You can play around with it, check how it combines the 2D and the 3D, how these projects are transferred from 2D schematics into actual 3D CAD environment, and all of the system has been seamlessly connected between one software to another. Please come take a look at our HOTD event.